Airalo India eSIM, my honest review and user experience. If you've ever landed in a new country and struggled with SIM cards, long queues, or expensive roaming plans, Airalo promises to fix that. I tried their India eSIM during my recent trip and here's my honest experience. Airalo is a digital SIM provider that lets you download data plans directly to your phone. No physical SIM, no store visits, everything happens through their app. Setting up the India eSIM was surprisingly simple. I just selected the plan, scanned the QR code, and it activated within minutes. Most people get this wrong. They think eSIMs are complicated or unreliable. But here's the truth, Airalo works seamlessly on my iPhone with strong connectivity across major Indian cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. Their India plans are affordable too. You can choose from short-term packages or monthly plans, depending on your travel length. Data speeds were consistently 8 or better, and I didn't experience major drops even in busy areas. The best part, you can keep your original SIM active for calls or messages while using the eSIM for data. That means no more juggling phones or losing contact with your home number. The only drawback I noticed was that you need Wi-Fi for the initial setup, so make sure you install it before arriving or at the airport. In summary, Airalo's India eSIM is a game changer for travellers. It's affordable, fast, and incredibly convenient. If you want to stay connected from the moment you land, skip the SIM card hassle. Airalo is absolutely worth it.